Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Hotspot block in WordPress Nextr. This video is part of a series taking a look at Nextr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. Before we continue any further, for the beginners out there, if this right hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button called Settings beside the Publish button in the top right corner. Just click on that, and this is where all of the settings to toggle and configure for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. So on the top left corner here, we have the block inserter. We can either search for the block or scroll down. You can see Nextr blocks is right here. You just scroll down and look for it manually. But let's go ahead and search for it, since it's a bit far down, and let's just drag and drop it into our workspace. And what is the Hotspot block? It's not sharing Wi-Fi using your phone. It's an image, and it has positionable tooltips. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter our settings over here, and let's select an image from our library. Okay, let's use this cat, and we can change the image size. And here we have our pin content. So we have pin 1 here, right? It can either be we can have it, we can change the icon to an image or just text, right? And we can change the icon font if we had it there, and we can change the icon to be something else, right? Like this. And we can change the color on hover, or you name it. And we can change the positioning, right, of our image, or well, our hotspot here. So if I wanted to put it over here, I could do that, right? And what's our tooltip going to be? We can either have it styled, or we can have content text over here. Okay, so let's put it as ears. Very simple example. And we can change our typography settings over here, and we can change the color as well. It's going to be a white background, no problem. And we can have a link on the pin if you wanted to click on that. And we can add more pins over here. So for instance, pin number 2, and we're going to put it down here, and over here we're going to offset it. And then we're going to put our content. And let's add a new one and do the same, and then just drag and drop it. And you've already seen how we've customized it. And here, let's go ahead and make this nose. And you can imagine what kind of applications you could use this for. If you had products and you wanted to highlight certain features, this is something that you could use. So let's go ahead and head over to, scroll all the way up and head over to style. We can change how big the icons are. We can also change the width of the circles themselves. We can change the radius and shadow. We can change the pin image size if we use the pin image, pin text, and some extra options over here. We can change background overlay if we wanted to. And some advanced options over here, which are common to every single Nextr block. So we have global styles, animations, border background, our hard position settings, our z-index over here, and our responsive settings for desktop, tablet, and our mobile. So go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this looks like on our live site. Here we have it. And here is our hotspot block, which is an image with tooltips, positionable tooltips with positionable pins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.